Hart here, and I'm about to reveal the secret medevac vehicle. The Army uses the M113A4 Armored Medical Evacuation Vehicle. AMEV is a U.S. Army variant of a M113 Armored Personnel Carrier. APC, made by United Defense, now part of BAE Systems, modified to function as a battlefield emergency medical evacuation medevac vehicle. It replaced the M113A4 armored ambulance in U.S. military service and is designed to operate in conjunction with the M577, a AFR armored treatment vehicle. The Army's specialized medevac vehicle is a remarkable piece of engineering designed for rapid patient transport. Ambulance versions of the M113 have existed for nearly as long as the vehicle has been in production and fielded by many different countries. During the Vietnam War, the U.S. Army introduced the M113 medevac vehicle to function as an armored ambulance for the treatment and evacuation of wounded personnel from the battlefield. Based upon the standard version of an M113, the seats in rear of the vehicle that were normally used by troops were replaced with 2 or 4 litters along either side, attached by chains suspended from the ceiling to the floor. Medical equipment and supplies were carried in internal stowage boxes. Following introduction of later ATWO and A3 versions of the base vehicle, vehicles in U.S. service were redesignated as the M113 ATWO/3 Armored Ambulance. Similar vehicles were also created based on the M577 variant, which with their increased interior space were able to accommodate up to 6 litters, and their raised roof offered the benefit of allowing the crew to stand while tending to the wounded. The vehicle's 10 extension, which attaches to the rear over the cargo ramp, was often used as an emergency treatment center. In accordance with the terms of the Geneva Conventions regarding the treatment and transportation of wounded personnel, these vehicles are required to be unarmed and their non-combatant role indicated by large red crosses on a white background painted on their exterior. Medical personnel are permitted to carry small arms for the purpose of defending themselves and their patients. The Army's secret medevac vehicle is a remarkable piece of engineering designed for rapid patient transport. In the early 1990s, the United States Army Training and Doctrine Command, TRADOC, initiated a review of the M113 ATWO/3 Armored Ambulance and identified a number of deficiencies, including inadequate casualty evacuation and treatment capacity, poor patient and attendant ride stabilization, limited patient in transit support by medical personnel, inadequate space for supplies, equipment and personnel inability to keep up with its supported units on the battlefield. As a result of the review, the Army's Deputy Chief of Staff for Operations approved the Mission Needs Statement, MNS, for medical evacuation for combat casualty care in December 1995, which resulted in an Operational Requirements Document, ORD, for the exploration of options and funding for procurement. Approved by TRADOC on 18 October 1996, and including options for tracked and wheeled vehicles and a new vehicle based upon the M2O Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV. A design was drafted and a prototype vehicle developed based upon the latest variant of the M113, the AFR. In March 1997, the prototype was tested at the National Training Center, NTC, at Fort Irwin, California, in Rotation 97-6 of the Task Force XXI Advanced Warfighting Experiment, TFXXI-A. The vehicle generally performed favorably, providing performance similar to or better than that of other modern medical evacuation vehicles and aircraft. However, small concerns were noted, mostly in regards to the safety and security of stowages, which were fed back into the design process for improvement. The final OPTEC test report of July 1997 noted that the AMEV projects and sustains the force through improved survivability from enhanced armor protection, improved automotive, electrical, communications, interior design, environmental support, chassis compatibility, and machine/soldier interface, increased operational mobility, allowing mobility equal to supported forces, decreased mortality and morbidity due to the addition of onboard medical treatment capability. The Combat Service Support, CSS, Enabler Functional Assessment, CEFA, for the AMEV dated December 1997, noted that the AMEV concept was sound, and that the vehicle should replace the M113A4/3 armored ambulance on a one-for-one basis. The Army's specialized medevac vehicle is a remarkable piece of engineering designed for rapid patient transport. The AMEV utilizes a high-mobility stretched M113A4 chassis as used by the Mobile Tactical Vehicle Light, MTVL, with the standard MON 113 hull lengthened 34 inches and equipped with an additional road wheel, for a total of 6 on each side, to give the AMEV excellent cross-country capability and ride characteristics. The vehicle shares common components with the M577, a fur armored treatment vehicle. The upgraded M113A4 includes the rise, reliability improvements for selected equipment. Power package, consisting of the turbocharged Detroit diesel 400 HP 6V53TA engine and Allison X2 100-minus, 4 amps automatic transmission with integrated hydrostatic steering, and braking in a compact and rugged unit providing 4 forward and 2 reverse gears. This provides the vehicle with sufficient power and performance to maintain pace with mechanized frontline units and their equipment, specifically the MON Abrams main battle tank and M2 Bradley IFV, both on and off-road. The A4 upgrade package also provides engine noise reduction, overpressured NBC air filtration system, improved lighting and storage digital communication interfaces, MSC link-up capability and 3-net communication capability, enhanced armor and spall protection. In addition, mission profile-specific capability and equipment includes accommodation for 4 litters or 8 ambulatory patients, movable attendants, seat patient support systems. The Army's specialized medevac vehicle, known as the Secret Medevac Vehicle, swiftly transports critically injured soldiers to medical facilities. In September 2020, the U.S. Army began phasing the AMEV out of service, to be replaced by the similar version of the Armored Multi-Purpose Vehicle, the MON 1284 Medical Evacuation Vehicle, MEV. M577, a fur armored treatment vehicle, MON 1133 Medical Evacuation Vehicle. YP-765 PRGWT Armored Medical Evacuation Vehicle. The Army's specialized medevac vehicle provides rapid transport for wounded soldiers.